Candy City sleeps under the moon. The factory gates are locked tight.
All the candy is mine.
The streets are empty and cold. The city lights fade away. Someone is trapped inside. The machines stop working. Candy City feels forgotten. Wrappers fly in the wind. Silence fills the night.
I don't know what comes next. I feel stuck. It's okay. Keep going. I'll start a new page. This is the hero. He stands at the gate. The greedy man looks scary.
A dark shadow covers the city.
The hero is brave. Yes, he is.
The hero walks alone. Houses begin to crack. The hero stops. The gate opens a little. The greedy man sees him. He laughs loudly. The hero does not move. The air feels tense. Greed fills his eyes.
I want more. I can't hold it. Why do I feel empty?
The hero points to the city. Memories appear. The city was once happy.
I remember this.
Candy falls away.
I am tired.
Everything goes quiet.
I will open the doors.
Light floods the streets. The machines start again. Lights turn on everywhere. Children run outside. Someone is freed. A kind smile appears.
I am sorry.
The hero watches silently. Candy City lives again.
I'm finishing it. looks great.
I see your message. Please continue.
The city feels safe.
Very meaningful.
The class listens closely.
I feel confident. Me too.
Applause fills the room.
Well done. You work together.
Thank you. I'm proud. Let's create again. Yes. I feel lighter now.
Home feels warm.
He's late today.
Mom, look.
Sit with me. This is beautiful. I understand now. I'm proud of you.
I feel happy.
A blank page waits.
I'll draw again.
Two names stand together. The room feels bright. Candy City shines. The city glows warmly. The factory is open. People share candy.
Here, take some.
The hero disappears quietly. The book closes. The title remains. The screen fades white. The story ends.